Hi class, welcome back. Let's get started. Go ahead and have a seat. Eyes are looking, mouth is quiet, hands are clasped to ourselves, feet are flat on the ground, and ears are listening. Good, thank you. Let's look at the calendar today. Today is Wednesday. It's November 4. And the year is 2020. The season is fall. Okay, so today is the Wednesday, the 4th of November. Yesterday was the 3rd, and tomorrow will be the 5th already. So here we go, the 4th of November. And I wanted to get started and get familiar with the new month because this month we have Thanksgiving and we also have a few birthdays and we also have Veterans Day. So let's get ready. Let's sing the song for November, okay? November comes after October. November has 30 days. November.
Families get together.
November.
Celebrate Thanksgiving Day.
Yeah, you'll have Thanksgiving Day.
We eat and play. It always comes on the fourth Thursday.
Fourth
Turkey
Thursday.
Food everywhere. Cooler weather's in the air. You feel it. Fall is here and November is the 11th month of the year.
11th
And never forget Veterans Day in the 11th month on the 11th day. We honor and thank all our veterans.
Okay,
To help
let's
you
sing
remember,
along.
here's how we spell November.
Let's sing it. November. November. Good. November.
November starts with N
And ends with R. November comes after October. November has 30 days. Good. November comes
Families get
together. November.
Celebrate Thanksgiving Day.
That's right. Thanksgiving is the holiday that we recognize in the month of November. And it's going to be a real nice holiday, a nice time to be together with your loved ones, with family, maybe with friends. Well, thank you for singing with me. And we are going to look at the color green because the color light green is what I'm wearing again. And it is something that kind of reminds us of this month, this kind of light green color. And I'm going to show you some leaves from my yard. And let's see, I have a fig tree. So my fig tree is starting to lose its leaves. And this color, you see the green is kind of yellowing right here in the leaf. So the leaf is really losing all its beautiful color of green. In fact, this one is almost all yellow. It's just almost golden, right? And here are grapes. So here are the colors of fall, really. You have light green, a little bit of yellow, and some brown. And here we go, another grape leaf. Okay, you've got that brown and that light green. This poor grape leaf, I just thought I'd show you. He's just really golden and brown, isn't he? And here's more of that color that we see in a lot of leaves. Now, my lemon tree is pretty good and it's still looking good, but some of my leaves are starting to look like this. And that's not typical. Usually the leaves are a little bit darker. So I noticed that some of my leaves are not as dark as they usually are. This week, thinking about the season of fall and all the fall colors, is also a week when we talk about and read about in your packet about pumpkins, and again about the pumpkin patch and farmers that work in the pumpkin patches, and also in other farms, because many things have to be harvested, have to be picked up, like grapes. Okay, so good. And so we will be looking again at the color green, very light green, our color orange for this month, and our color brown. And you're already pros at that because you've seen that color before. Let's look at numbers right now. Now today is the 4th day of November. Here's the number 4, and here are 4 rods. Let's count them together, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're awesome. Great. I've got blue too. Good. All right, so we're in the ones house. And let's look at other numbers right behind me. Okay, I'll get my pen out and let's count together. Now, this is a plus. That means we group everything together. Ready? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue dots. Today's the 4th of November. And let's count how many dots we have that are red. 1, 2, 3. 3. Good. Now, when that plus sign is there, it's going to remind us to add it all together so we can count all together. Let's get started. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is our new number. We start and we write it up here and come down. It's a neat number, and here it is. So today we are looking at the number 6 and the number 7. You're awesome. Okay, let's look at another equation. I have 5 plus 2. So let's look at the number 5. Okay, we can make the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that stands for 5. And then we can add 2. Or we can look at our number line. So let's see how we add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So let's look at our number chart, I'm sorry, not the chart, but the line on the bottom. And sometimes it's fun to look at that too. So let's start at 5. Right here's 5. So let's start right at the number 5. Ta-da! And we'll add 2. Ready? All right. I'm going to get a pen. And let's go. 1, 2. So here we go. It stopped right at 7. How about that? So even when we use our number line, it stops right at 7. Or if we do it like that. All right. Different ways of doing math. So thank you for joining me on math today. And we are going to, since we looked at our different leaves that fall, and the different shapes of leaves, really they're different. See, a grape leaf is very different from, let's see, a fig tree leaf. This poor guy is curled up. And they are quite different. Let me see if I can actually pick a better one. Here we go. All right, see? They are a little bit different. I have a little book, and it has beautiful decorations. It's called Leaf Man. It is about leaves, and these are really the colors of fall. These leaves are the leaves that fall from the trees at this time of year. So I'll start somewhere in the middle here. Okay, leaves, when they fall down from the trees, they can land on the ground. They can land in the water. So this is what it looks like on this river. Look at these pages. So neat. Following, what do? They follow butterflies going south. And the lady who wrote this, it was a lady who wrote this book, calls each leaf Leaf Man. All right. Well, a leaf man's got to go where the wind blows. So the wind blows the leaves away, right? He might even be traveling north, above leaves that look like him. Okay, these look like maple leaves. And let's turn the next page. Oh, these look like birds made out of leaves. How creative. Okay, a leaf man could be flying over mountains with a flock of birds. When Leaf Man looks down on earth, he is lonesome. Or could he be lonesome for his home? This I do know. Where a leaf man will land, only the wind knows. So listen for a rustle in the leaves. A rustle is when leaves are dry and you can crunch them when you're walking on them. Maybe you'll find a leaf man waiting for you to go home with you. All right? So, there we go. That's our story about leaves. Leaf man. Our letter for this week is the letter E, and we're going to sound out two different sounds that the letter E makes. A short E is and a long E is E. Okay? So let's look at the pictures and sound out what the first sound is of each picture. Now, elephant, good. Egg. Envelope. Engine. Now we're making a long E sound. Ear. Eagle. So E is, first comes E and then an A, and it makes a long E sound. Some words make a long E sound with two E's, but that's for next week. So and E, okay, or E as an ear. And I'm going to just place it on the board. And because we're doing so great with the letter E, I wanted to look at our sentences. So you also have a pumpkin patch in your packet, and you have new words. So we're adding on to the words that we had from last time. All right, so can is one of those words. So I thought, let's make a sentence. Will you do it with me? Okay. All right, we, and can, or the word we is actually one of our new words. So here we go. We can. I'm going to put it on the board. There we go. Two words. Good. We can see. All right. And another word. We can see the farm. Let me flatten it out for you. Farm. It looks like it's a pumpkin farm. Can you say we can see the pumpkin farm? That could make it even longer. We can see the farm. Let's count how many words we have in this sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. Good. We can see the pumpkin farm, or we can see the farm. Good. Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you next time. Bye.